Back in Bahia Bandeiras, we prepared the boat and ourselves to cross the Pacific. The plan is to sail to Polynesia, and therefore we invited 3 new crew members. It is just more fun to share all the great experience with other mates. Before they arrived, we enjoyed our last days alone on Zero, cruising around the beautiful sights of Bahia Bandeiras.
So peaceful here. You can hear the waves, the birds. It's nice and warm. The waves were small this morning, but at least there were some waves. Now it's time for a breakfast smoothie. Ahoy! The last crew! It's good! Good!
You're welcome aboard! Juan was the last to arrive. We immediately felt good chemistry. And that's not just because of the beers he brought.
We're one family.
Now the crew is complete. Time to sit down and talk about the essentials.
You got it?
Yes, we got it.
Let me see that. Yeah. Oh. Careful.
Careful. That looks big.
That looks good.
Yeah. Second mission complete, you know. Step by step.
Are you happy?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Good.
You want to be more happy?
Yeah. Good, but
Polynesia, no more confinements.
really?
Open borders.
Hell yeah, man. What? Sí, que en Polinesia está abierto ya.
No más confinements.
Oh, qué bien.
Look at our treasure!
Yeah.
I never would be able to do that alone. It's such
it's
an
a lot of
amazing
work.
help, yeah. Okay, let's get the stuff into the boat.
Yeah. It's unusual.
And this, folks, is just the fresh fruit from today. Huh? Are you excited? Ah, lame. Just 3,000 miles. Who cares, huh? Just a few more things to pack away. This guy gets a rest. Not needed anymore for the next 4 weeks. Excited? Yeah?
Super glad that this is over. I think we have to find a space for everything, but we have plenty of room. And there's much better.
3,000 miles, eh? Your first crossing.
So excited. Not excited, really glad that I can do it, and I'm so positive. And I'm glad that this stress is all over now. All the boat work, all the
Yeah, the preparation was kind
all
of...
the preparation, and especially for 5 people. Yeah, you have to organize a lot and don't eat it.
Not yet.
Meow. She eats the food already.
Give your mom a big hug. Say goodbye.
Adios.
Adios.
See you later, alligator. In a while, go to dry.
After some exhausting provisioning runs and long nights of packing and stacking, we settled down for one day in Jalapa and enjoyed the last contact with civilization for a long while. We provisioned for every possible challenge we might face on our adventure. In times where borders close in a blink of an eye, you should be prepared. And we are. Zero is loaded to the gill.
You still know what food is where?
No,
Yes.
I don't. I have a total messed up brain right now. I don't really know where what is, and I try to figure out where to put all this stuff. It's a big time 3D Tetris here on board Zero right now.
Looks like we are ready, yeah? How many are there?
I bought 7 24 cases, so it's like a 140 food camera.
And some essential last-minute luxuries before we cast off our lines. One last stop in beautiful Jalapa, and off we go.
What? Day number 1. Today's the day we plan to leave. Just got up. Sun is over the mountains already. The boat is slowly waking up. Morning. Buongiorno.
Bonjour.
Making coffee.
Beautiful technique. It's perfect.
And now we gotta store away the last bits and pieces, put the dinghy on deck and get going. I'm super excited. I actually can't wait to do it. This is the dream I was dreaming about. Sailing to the South Pacific Islands. Today, I'm going to make it happen. Step by step, mile by mile, day by day. We're going there. And we take you with us.
That's a sign.
Enjoy!
¿Unos taquitos o qué?
So here we are, off to cross the Pacific Ocean with a bunch of cool guys in our cabins, off to unknown adventures. Hell yeah, that's going to be a lot of fun. Next time on Sailing Zero. Light and shifting winds made our trip to the first stop, the Mexican offshore island Socorro, a little while longer than expected. We had a blast anyway. Watch out for the big fish! We deal with first emergencies and catch some pretty big fish.
Yeah, keep it.
Thank you for watching this video. We made this video for you. If you like it, help us on Patreon to make more videos. And don't miss out on all the other great stories. Aloha. Hey, and don't go without clicking here. Love ya.
It's just me and my boat. It's just me